Ukraine's drone army is responsible for taking out huge amounts of Russian equipment, with every possible system on the list, while taking out vehicles with a lot of firepower helps lower Russia's offensive and defensive capability. Engineering equipment like the IMR-2, which is meant to clear obstacles but can also help build trenches or help stock equipment, plays a crucial function, so it becomes an important target as well. But as the system is built on a tank chassis, it can resist a punch, but not seemingly a Ukrainian FPV drone, which destroys the system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.